Things to note for do so. Just one quick thing that we need to note for this grammar structure. Here it is. Do so is slightly formal. We can often use do it or do that instead. Have a look at these examples below. The old man stared at me with a smile on his face. As he did so, he handed me a package. This use of do so is very slightly formal. We often use it in written English and slightly formal spoken English, but it sounds okay in almost any context. Now look at the next example. The old man stared at me with a smile on his face. As he did that, he handed me a package. Did that is less formal. We can use do it or do that just like do so to replace a verb phrase that we previously said. But to be honest, do so does sound much nicer. It sounds a bit more elegant, it sounds more fluent, and it just has a nice ring to it. And it's not overly formal. Don't worry about the formality. It's slightly formal, but you can use it in any context, talking to friends or family. Any context, do so is good. So now move on to the speaking and listening practice lectures. Make sure you download the MP3 and the PDF as well. Listen to the MP3 many times and train your brain to master do so.